But not every company thinks about themselves as being a part of the defense industrial base. They're just thinking about IT security. And for smaller entities, you're kind of like, okay, where to start, right? Like I change my password. I don't tell people what I have, those kind of things.
I use antivirus, those kinds of things, right?
Right. And so some of those are pretty tactical, right? It's kind of what you do for basic IT kind of hygiene and security, right? Well, this CMMC gives a structure for that internal conversation. And like I said, you can look it up. And there's plenty of stuff to read. And you don't have to take it. It's not overkill, but it gives you a place to start if you want to just sit down and say, okay, hey, let's figure out, are we doing some basic things? And there's the basic level of this that these policies actually will give you. And they give you, I think there's 8 or 9 bullet points at the basic level. And it says, okay, are you even doing this stuff? And it's pretty straightforward to be able to talk to and say, yeah, you can go read a whole bunch of different things on it, but here's 8 bullet points. Are we doing this?